Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the caller ID feature in Truecaller on your Android phone. This lets you see the name of unknown callers even if they're not saved in your contacts. First, download and install the Truecaller app from your Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Open the app, sign in with your phone number, and allow the required permissions. Next, tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, select the Calls option. Make sure the toggle for call alert notifications is turned on. On some phones, Truecaller may also ask you to set it as your default phone app or grant Jaw over apps permission. Just follow the on-screen steps to enable those. Once this is done, Truecaller will automatically display the caller's name and details whenever you get a call from an unknown number. And that's how you enable Truecaller's caller ID feature on Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.